Hi friends, this is Santosh from Bapu Academy. Today we will see linear equation in two variables part 2. Part 2 means we have already completed part 1, and in the part 1 we have seen the basic information, what is linear equation, what do you mean by two variables, then what is the graphical meaning, then what is the geometrical meaning, then what is the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. If you compare, what we can interfere from that. Now we have seen that if the lines are parallel, then there are no solution. Then we have seen if the lines intersect, there is unique solution. And then we have seen also if the lines coincide, there are many solutions, infinite solutions. So solutions. So see students, many of the students do not know why we learn linear equation in two variables. Students, linear equation in two variables, one example will tell you, this example from exercise 3.1 will tell you exactly how we use linear equation in two variables in our day-to-day life. So let's start. Today we will see how to solve. There are two different ways, actually three different ways. One is substitution way of solving, another is elimination way, and third is cross multiplication way. Cross multiplication way is deducted from your portion this year because of COVID-19. So today in this lecture we will see substitution method as well as elimination method of solving linear equation in two variables. Let's start. We'll with one example we'll understand this. See, Aftab tells his daughter, what he tells, 7 years ago, मतलब 7 years पीछे, 7 years मागे, I was, म्हणजे Aftab was 7 times as old as you were. So अपन बोलेंगे चलो let Aftab's daughter's age be X years. Okay, let us consider this as Y years. Okay, so and Aftab's daughter's age be Y years and Aftab's age be X years. ठीक है, we do not know what are their present age. We want to find their respective ages. Now Aftab's age, let us consider that today, है ना, today Aftab's daughter's age is Y years and Aftab's age is X years. Now there are two conditions. Always remember, linear equation in two variables, they will specify two conditions. Using that two conditions we will use and we will make two equations and then we'll solve. See, very interesting. Now यहाँ पे we'll write condition 1. Condition 1. What is condition 1? 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. Now what will be Aftab's age 7 years back? 7 years ago Aftab's age will be how much? 7 years less. So today is X, 7 years it will be X minus 7 years. And daughter's age will be how much? Daughter's age will be how much? Y minus 7. Now we understood by the first condition that 7 years ago Aftab was 7 years X minus 7, daughter was Y minus, but what he says, 7 years ago Aftab was 7 times as old as daughter. So Aftab's age is X minus 7. So according to the first condition we will say X minus 7 was 7 times the age of her daughter. If we simplify this, X minus 7 is equal to 7Y minus 7 sevens are 49. Okay, we will take everything on this side. It will become X minus 7 minus 7Y plus 49. We will get one equation यहाँ पे, X minus 7Y, 49 plus 49 minus 7. How much it will be? Minus 42. Sorry, plus 42 is equal to 0. We got the first equation. 7y I took on this side, 49 I took on this side, it will become plus, so plus this will be 42 7y. So we got, according to the first condition, we have formulated one equation. Second condition will tell you the second equation. See how? This was the first condition. Second, 3 years from now, आतापासून 3 वर्ष नंतर, आपके बाद आज के तारीख से 3 साल बाद में, तो आफ्ताब will be how much? Aftab will be x plus 3. Correct? We have considered Aftab's age today x years. And daughter's age will be how much? Daughter will be y plus 3. Now what the condition says? 3 years from now, that means x plus 3, y plus 3, I shall be 3 times as old as you. So it will be x plus 3 will be equal to 3 times of daughter. I hope you are understanding this, very easy. From the conditions, we are forming equations and then we'll solve and we'll understand what was the age of Aftab, what is today's Aftab's age and what is today's daughter's age. Let us simplify this. See, 3 years from now, Aftab will be x plus 3, daughter will be y plus 3, and what is the condition? Aftab is saying x plus 3 is 3 times the age of daughter, 3 times. So we'll solve this. It will become x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. We'll bring everything on one side. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. X minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 will be minus 6 is equal to 0. We got the second equation. In this way, we have what Aftab was saying was first condition is this and second condition is this. From these two equations, now we need to solve these two equations and see how. Now let us solve this equation. X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Students, I will explain you how to solve this today by substitution method as well as elimination method. Very, very important. Such questions comes in the exam for 2 or 3 marks. Let us check. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, let us solve these two equations by substitution method first. Okay. Let me rub this. You can stop the video and you can take a screenshot or you can write it down whenever you want. Okay. We have got 2 equations now. I am rubbing the question here so that we can use the board. Okay, I am rubbing everything. I am keeping the equations so that we can understand. First, from the 2 conditions, we have formulated 2 equations. Now the 2 equations are x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 and x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 0. So solution of this, we are using now substitution method. Friends, substitution method is what? From any one equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From any one equation, we can substitute one variable in the next equation. I will show. Now let us take this equation. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. We will take everything on that side is equal to 3y plus 6. X, I have taken this 3y and 6 on that side. On the right hand side, 3y negative 3y become plus 3y minus become plus. So I got x ka value as 3y plus 6. So from first equation I got x is equal to 3y plus 6. So second equation, and I will use this value and put this in the first equation. So I will write putting x is equal to 3y plus 6 in equation 1. What we will get? See, equation 1 is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Correct? In place of x, now I will put 3y plus 6. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 3y plus 6 minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 3y minus 7y will be minus 4y. 46 plus this will be 48 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I will do? I will solve this now. Very easy. What I did? I took the second equation. I kept x on the left hand side. I took everything on the right hand side. So I got the value of x. Using this value of x, I put this value of x in equation 1. In place of x, I wrote 3y plus 6. See, this is 3y plus 6. This is x. This is x. Minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Simplify this. 3y minus 7y minus 4y plus 6 plus 42 plus 48. Now, if you divide this whole thing by 4, okay, it is now minus 4y plus 48 is equal to 0. I will take this 48 on that side. Minus 4y is equal to minus 48. Y is equal to minus 48 upon minus 4. Y is equal to 12. 12 4 is 48. Okay. So what is y? Y is actually age of, yes, correct, daughter. Age of daughter is equal to y, that is equal to 12 years. Now, आज के दिन, आज त्या मुलीचं वय आहे 12 years. Okay. Now very easy, y is equal to 12 years. We can put y in second or first equation, we'll get x. So we'll putting y is equal to 12 in equation 1. Okay. So what is that equation? X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. We'll put y is equal to 12 in this. X minus 7, y की जगह पे 12 plus 42 is equal to 0. X minus 7 to the 7 12 the 84, I hope, plus 42 is equal to 0. Correct? 7 12 the 84. 84 minus 42 will be minus 42 is equal to 0. इसको minus करेंगे, you will get minus 42. I'll take this 42 on that side, x is equal to 42. But what is x? X was Aftab's age. Therefore, Aftab's today's age is 42 years. So 42 years and 12 years. These are the 2 years. So we were at the beginning we were not knowing what is Aftab's age and what is a daughter's age. But he told us two conditions. From the two conditions we form out two equations, and by using substitution method of solving linear equation in two variables, we have solved for x and y. So Aftab's age is 42, and you can see here very easily we can see if I put यहाँ पे x की जगह पे 42 minus 7 की जगह पे what is y? Y is 12 plus 42 is equal to 0. I am just checking whether our answer is correct. X कितना है अपना 42. तो 42 plus 42 will be 84. 7 12 are 84 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. We are getting 0 on both the side. That means our answer is correct. So that finishes one way of solving the equation. Now I will show you another way of solving the equation, which is एलिमिनेशन मेथड. आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड. मराठी समजतो. आपल्याला जी कंडिशन दिलेली असेल त्या कुठल्याही क्वेश्चनमध्ये दोन कंडिशन दिलेल्या असतात. आपल्याला त्यातनं त्याचं उत्तर माहीत नसते, पण आपण काय करतो, आपण दिलेल्या कंडिशनमधनं दोन इक्वेशन तयार करतो. या दोन इक्वेशनला सॉल्व केल्यावरती आपल्याला त्यांचं आन्सर माहिती होतं, सॉल्युशन माहिती होतं. पण हे सॉल्व करताना आपल्याला एक गोष्ट करावं लागते, कुठल्याही एक इक्वेशनमधनं आपल्याला एक्स किंवा वायची व्हॅल्यू पहिल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकायची. तसं आपण इथं पहिल्या इक्वेशन सेकंड इक्वेशनमधनं एक्स काढलं आणि ह्या एक्सची व्हॅल्यू आपण पहिल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकली. पहिल्या इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकल्यानंतर आपल्याला एक व्हॅल्यू मिळाली वायची, ती आपण दुसऱ्या इक्वेशनमध्ये टाकली तर आपल्याला एक्स पण मिळाला. या प्रकारे आपल्याला जर एक कोडं असतं त्या कोड्याप्रमाणे त्याचे उत्तर माहीत नसतात, पण आपण लिनियर इक्वेशनमध्ये त्याला फॉर्म करून आपण त्याचा आन्सर फाइंड करू शकतो. आता हेच इक्वेशन ओके, आता हेच इक्वेशन आपल्याला जर एलिमिनेशन मेथडने करायचं असेल तर कसं करता येईल. ठीक आहे. I hope this very easy example you understood how to solve by substitution method. Now let's solve this same equation by elimination method. After that, you will be eligible to solve any equation by elimination method and substitution method. After completing this session, चॅनलला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. सगळे व्हिडिओज CBSE NCERTचे 10चे ह्याच्या पुढे आम्ही ह्याच्यावरती लोड करत आहोत. तर प्लीज 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 सबस्क्राईब करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला नवीन व्हिडिओजचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळत राहील. ठीक आहे. पहिले मेथड बघितलं आपण सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड. अजून एक मेथड आहे एलिमिनेशन मेथड. फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड? एलिमिनेशनचा अर्थ काय? एलिमिनेशन मतलब निकाल देना, कम कर देना. एलिमिनेट, उसको ख़त्म कर देना. एलिमिनेट ही मतलब उसको पोष देना. ठीक है. तो विल एलिमिनेट एंड सी व्हाट इज एलिमिनेशन मेथड. सेम इक्वेशन विल सॉल्व बाय एलिमिनेशन मेथड. आई विल टेक डाउन द इक्वेशंस. x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This is one equation. X minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is second equation. Now boss, please pay attention. Elimination method. Elimination method में either we will eliminate y and we'll get x. Otherwise we will eliminate x and we'll get y. So this is very easy. Now you have to see the equation first. Now see here, this is 7y and this is 3y. So we cannot eliminate y here, but x and x. If I subtract these two equations, x minus x will be 0. So x will be eliminated automatically. So let's subtract the second equation from the first equation, see what happens. So I'll write यहाँ पे subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Let us see what happens. I'll write equation from equation 1 म्हणजे मोठं इक्वेशन पहिले लिहिलं x minus 7y plus 42. ज्याला आपल्याला सबट्रॅक्ट करायचं आहे त्याला म्हणायचं इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. आपल्याला पहिल्या इक्वेशनमधनं सेकंड इक्वेशन मायनस करायचं होतं. इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now we are going to subtract equation second, x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now boss, here a little bit care you have to take. थोडीशी काळजी घ्यावी लागणार आहे. कसली काळजी? हे मायनस प्लस मायनस राहील. मायनस मायनस हे होणार प्लस, मायनस मायनस हे होणार प्लस. रिमेंबर दिस, you have to change this sign. Minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Now this x and x got eliminated. Minus 7y plus 3y give me minus 4y. Okay, and this plus and plus, this will give me plus 48. Plus 6 plus 42 I will get is equal to 0. Now just now we have seen minus 4y plus 48 is equal to 0. Minus 4y plus 48 is equal to 0. Minus 4y is equal to minus 48. Y is equal to minus 48 upon minus 4. Y is equal to 12. मित्रांनो, आता आपण मागाशा एक्झाम्पलमधनं जे व्हॅल्यू मिळाली होती तीच व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला वायची इथं मिळाली. आता ही वायची व्हॅल्यू परत आपण एक्समध्ये टाकू. पहिल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये x minus 7 into 12 plus 42 is equal to 0. यहाँ पे विल गेट ह्याला म्हणतात सॉल्युशन ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल. टू व्हेरिएबल म्हणजे एक असतं x, एक असतं y. वी गॉट द इक्वेशन, वी गॉट द सॉल्युशन, वी गॉट x, वी गॉट y. So any number of solutions or any number of equations you can solve by substitution method and by elimination method. If not, cross multiplication method was there last year, but because of COVID-19, Government of India, CBSE board has deducted your cross multiplication method. So I hope today's session we have learned how to form equation, and how to solve equation by substitution method and elimination method. One more example we'll take and we'll finish up. Okay, now see, one example we'll take. S minus t is equal to 3. X minus t is equal to 3, and this is one equation, and another is s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. बरेचसे मुलं असे सम बघितले की घाबरतात, त्यांना वाटतं हे काय काय नाही. इक्वेशन 1, इक्वेशन 2, दोन इक्वेशन दिलेले आहेत. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, sometimes they will not give you equation in a straight your standard form. What is your standard form of equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We know that. Now this is in the standard form, but this is not in the standard form. Very easy, we'll form the LCM and bring it. So we'll first sort this x, this is 3 2 6 is the LCM, बराबर है. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 2s plus 3t is equal to 6. I am taking LCM here. You all know how to find LCM. Okay, 3 2 6. यहाँ पे 2 आएगा, यहाँ पे 3 आएगा. This is 2s plus 3t is equal to 6 6. I'll take this on this side. This will become 36. So our second equation is 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. And first equation is s minus t is equal to 3. Now solve this equation by substitution method. This is an equation from exercise 3.3 of your 10th mathematics CBSE, and the question number is second. So this equation was not given in standard form. We brought it in standard form, and now we got the two equation. Which are the two equation now? S minus t is equal to 3. Okay, and 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. We got the two equations. Now very quickly I will show you how to solve this by substitution method. Now always go for the smaller equation. I will take this equation, s minus t is equal to 3, s is equal to 3 plus t. We got the value of s. Okay, I have taken this t on that side, become plus. Now substituting s is equal to 3 plus t इन इक्वेशन 2. असं काय नाही की इक्वेशन 2 घ्यायचं आणि इक्वेशन 1. तुम्हाला जे सोपं पडेल त्याची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही तयार करायची. आता मी त्या एसची व्हॅल्यू तयार केली इन टर्म्स ऑफ टी, आणि ही व्हॅल्यू मी आता सेकंड याच्यामध्ये टाकतो. तो व्हॉट इज सेकंड इक्वेशन? दॅट इज 2s प्लस 3t इज इक्वल टू 36. एसची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? 3 प्लस टी इथं टाकायची. 2 इंटू 3 प्लस टी प्लस 3t इज इक्वल टू 36. आय होप यू अंडरस्टँडिंग. सॉल्व दिस. 2 3 6, 2 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. 2 3 6, 2t plus 36. This will become 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 6 on that side. This will become 5t is equal to 36 minus 6. 5t is equal to 30. T is equal to 30 upon 5. T is equal to 6. We got t. Now putting t is equal to 6 in equation 1. What is equation 1? S minus t is equal to 3. So what we got? T is equal to 6. So it will become minus 6 is equal to 3. See? Okay. So S is equal to, I'll take 6 on that side. This plus 6. S is equal to 9. If I put यहाँ पे 9, if S के जगह पे I'll put 9. And t की जगह पे if I put 6, automatically I will get 3. This is correct. So I explained you one more example. Many examples are there, but all the examples can be solved. This is substitution method. What is this? Substitution method. Now this is part 2. Linear equation in part where 2 variable. Part 3 will be the next video. And in this video, in the next video, we will see some more examples of elimination method. Also, some equations which can be reduced to 2 variables. Thank you very much. Bye. This is your friend Santosh. See you next time.